Importance of networking.
Networking is definitely very important. It is, I think, is a very basic thing which should be actually taught even in the college. But is it something that is very much required in, let's say, in the first year of maybe your job? No, it may not be, right? Because what is required is the basic skills that you are able to do certain things, right? You know those necessary skills. If you are getting into technology, right, you need to know the programming, right, basic programming which is required. But as you progress in your career, and if you want to progress in your career, right, there are other necessary skills which is required, and these skills are, decision making. These skills are collaborations. These skills are building that agreement or concurrence, right? Does it come naturally? No, it does not, right? You have to have that sort of a, you build those sort of a networking within the work that you are doing, and beyond that also, right? So you still have that support network that you have built around you works for you.